Nestled in the valleys of the Amathole mountains, just outside the town of Keiskammahoek, lies the impressive water body of the Sandile Dam. Built on the Keiskamma and Wolf Rivers, this reservoir is more than just a piece of infrastructure. It's a vital link between the land, the people and the past. Completed in 1983, the dam is a zoned embankment dam that measures approximately 58 meters high and stretches some 760 meters in length. The reservoir holds a total capacity of 31 million cubic meters of water and covers a surface area of around 146 hectares. The dam takes its name from one of the most notable chiefs of the Xhosa nation, Sandile. He was the right-hand paramount chief of the Harabi branch of the Xhosa people, a dynamic leader in a time of conflict and upheaval. If you visit the Sandile Dam, you're visiting more than just a reservoir. You're witnessing a meeting of nature and human endeavor, of past and present, of heritage and modern utility.